When laying out complex joinery, you often need to mark both the face and the edge of your board at the same dimension. Most squares have a thin shoulder you can use to make a small mark, but aligning and transferring that line invites inaccuracy. That's because traditional squares work two-dimensionally. Woodpecker's 3D multi-marking square takes your woodworking square to a whole new dimension. If you love our Delve square and our mini square, this tool's for you. With the 3D multi-marking square, now you can mark both the face and edge of your board at the same dimension. The long legs and wide surfaces keep the tool stable, even on thinner stock. And with this same tool, you can check both inside and outside corners for square. We mill steps into the blade cutouts, allowing you to mark 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, or 1/2 inch marks without measuring anything. With your project laid out, the 3D multi-marking square makes a stand-up assistant for machinery setup. Its long legs reach past any troublesome table inserts, allowing you to reference the table while you set your blade or bit height. And the wide legs provide a solid reference when adjusting the drill press or bandsaw table to square. Each 3D multi-marking square is precision machined from solid aircraft-grade aluminum. We manufacture and thoroughly inspect each one right here in our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. Your joinery is three-dimensional, so why isn't your layout tool? Order your Woodpecker's 3D multi-marking square today.